Nissan Qashqai J11 rattling noise from engine bay. Generally comes from the airbox after the air filter has been replaced by the main dealer or garage. And you hear this sort of noise coming from there. Way to rectify it is pop a cable tie around this front here. Some people drill a hole in here, put a screw in there just to hold it in place to stop it echoing through the vehicle. Just fit in the cable tie, keeping it nice and snug on this lip here and tightening it up. And now no more rattling noise. Push it around as far as possible and cut it off.